eating them, so I assume that they're good?
Yeah, they're good.
What do they taste like? Like oatmeal bran kind of stuff?
I don't even know how to describe it, I guess.
Does it actually taste like a cookie?
Like oatmeal. Like, it doesn't really taste like a cookie, but you can have like.
But it feels very
chips in it.
breakfasty?
Yeah.
There's chocolate chips in it? Oh, dang. Okay. So these add up to 1.001. It's okay if it's a little bit off because of rounding. If it was like 1.1, that would be 10% off, and that is way more of a significant problem. Okay. Third page, and I'm going home for realsies. Okay. You get to try example 4. Leah, Allie, Kelsey, Maddie, and Sierra are all hanging out together. They're talking about whether they're going to come to school on senior skip day or stay home. They decide they have a probability of 60% chance of coming to school. So that's a probability of success is 0.6. Probability of failure is a 0.4. And we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls, so 5 trials. So here is 0 of them come to school. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, hold on. 60% chance of coming to school. So I guess 0 of them come to school, 1 of them comes to school, 2 of them comes to school, etc. It says that I want you to do 3 and 0 by using the binomial theorem, 1 and 2 by using your calculator, and 4 and 5 by using the table in the back of the book. So you can go ahead and pause the video and then check your work as you go. And I'm going to do it real fast, hopefully. 5 choose 0 times 0.6 to the power of 0 times, I got to make sure I'm doing this right, 60% chance of coming to school, yes. 0.4 to 5, that would be all of them are skippers. And then we're doing 3, which is 5 choose 3 times 0.6 to the third times 0.4 squared. All right, 5 choose 3, 0.6 to the third power, and then 0.4. I got 0.346 for that one. Chances that none of them come to school is not very good. Okay. And then on 1 and 2, I said I was going to use the calculator, so second distribution, binomial PDF, 5.6 is my success, and 1. I got 0.0768. That was a binomial PDF. NPX. NPX. 0.2304, and then using the table on A8. It's also a nice chance to see how I'm doing. 0.6 should have been 0.01, 0.077, yep. 2, 3, yes. Okay, the last two are 0.259 and 0.078. Okay, the last thing that we're learning is how to do the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation of a binomial probability. which, considering doing standard deviation before has been a pain in the absolute butt, the nice news about this is that it is a very simple formula. All of these are. The mean of a binomial is just n times your probability of success. Variance is n times p times q. The standard deviation is the square root of n times p times q, which makes sense. And that's it. So these are the formulas right there. So for example, 5, in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, about 56% of the days in the year are cloudy. Find the mean variance and standard deviation for the number of cloudy days during the month of June. Georgia, June has 30 days, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see. The mean would just be 30 times the probability of success. And it is how many days, so you could write 16.8 or you could write 17 days because it is how many days in June. The variance is n times p times q. So that would be 30 times 0.56 times 0.44. I got 7.39 for the variance, and if you take the square root of that number, you get the standard deviation, 2.72. Your homework is at the bottom of this page, and that should be it. Good luck. I've got my phone on me, so you guys can text me with questions. Bye.